Hello everyone, welcome to TheLemonGinger. I'm Asha. Hope you're all doing fine and having a great week. So today's recipe is Meen Theeyal or Netholi Theeyal because it is made with Netholi or anchovy. It's a very traditional recipe all the way from Kerala. It's so yummy and I got this from my mom and it's so tasty. Just try it out. I'm not saying it's very easy to make. It has a few extra steps, but it's really worth it. So just try it out and let me know how much you liked it. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notifications for the next coming videos. So let's see how Meen Theeyal is made. So first, set the stove on low flame and place a pan on it. And I'm putting 2 cups of grated coconut. And I'm going to stir it for around 8 to 10 minutes or until the coconut turns brown. We should not burn the coconut, so make sure that the flame is very low and keep stirring. So this is the part of this recipe that takes a little extra time. So what you can do is you can roast the coconut 1 week before also, it's fine, and you just need to cool it down and keep it in the refrigerator. And just before cooking the fish theeyal, we just need to take it out and just warm it up. And now here the coconut is almost turned brown. I'm going to switch off the stove. And to it I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to stir it. The pan is hot, so you don't have to switch it on again. The heat of the pan and the coconut is enough here, so I'm stirring until the powders are well incorporated. And once stirring, I'm just keeping it aside to cool down. So if you're planning to roast the coconut much ahead of time, make sure that you warm it up before adding the chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder, and then set it to cool down again and follow the rest of the steps. So here the coconut is cooled down. I am moving it into a blender. Slowly move it into the blender or a mixie jar. To it I am pouring half a cup of water. You need to add water as required just to make into a smooth fine paste. So now I'm blending. So after blending, you can see right now that the coconut has turned into a smooth fine paste. So this is the right consistency. Now we can keep this aside and let's start cooking the fish. I have kept a clay pot on medium flame and I'm pouring 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you do not have a clay pot, you can use a kadai, that's fine. Now once the oil is hot, I am putting chopped garlic 4 cloves and 1-inch ginger paste that's also chopped into small pieces, 6 green chilies and a few curry leaves. I'm stirring it for around 2-3 minutes. To it I'm going to add 20 shallots. They are small. As you can see, the shallots are cut into just 2 or 3 pieces. It's not thin. Stirring until the shallots turn translucent. That would take around 5 minutes. And now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you want, you can add 1 chopped tomatoes here. But I'm not adding it because I'm gonna add brindleberries after some time. So here I'm adding 1 cup of water. Salt to taste. And let the water boil. As the water starts boiling, it's time to add the fish. I've taken here anchovies, 500 grams. They are boneless. I've taken off the bones. And to the water goes the anchovies. After putting the fish, make sure that you are stirring very gently because we don't want the fish to be broken. Now it's time to add the brindle berries or the kodampuri, as we say in Malayalam. I've taken here 7 pieces dried brindle berries and gently stirring everything together. If you feel the water is not enough in the pot, you can add a quarter cup more of water to it. Because the pot should have enough of the water for the fish to get cooked. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the coconut paste that we made before and gently incorporating it into the gravy. Add more curry leaves. As I always say, more the curry leaves, better the taste. Now let it boil. Now once the gravy starts boiling really well, reduce the flame to low and close it and cook the fish for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see the gravy has gone a little down. It has reduced and the fish is cooked really well. Gently stir it. We don't want to break the fish. And to it, I'm gonna add the coconut paste that we made before. Once the paste goes into the pot, now it's time to gently stir it into the fish and the gravy. As you stir, if you feel that the water is not or the gravy is not enough in the pot, you can pour 2 or 3 tablespoons of water to the mixie and you can wash off the leftover coconut in the jar and pour to it. Now stir it and let it boil well for around 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, it started boiling really well. And now I'm gonna switch off the stove and now it's time to add the seasonings. For that, I've taken here 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a small pan. I've added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies and a few curry leaves to it. Fry it for a couple of seconds and pouring it into the curry that we made just now. Gently stir it. And that's it. Yummy Meen Theeyal is ready. It's so delicious. It goes well with the rice. You have to definitely try it out. So if you like the video, please don't forget to press that thumbs up button down there. And please share it to your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So until you hear me in the next video, stay safe you all and wishing you a very happy weekend. Bye bye.